Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary: qualmish, Qualmish, obdurate, Obdurate, factious, Factious, foray, Foray. First one, qualmish, unwell, a sudden disturbing feeling, a sudden feeling of sickness, faintness, nausea. So this is what we call it as qualmish. So synonyms: uneasy, sickly, anxious, restless, squeamish, uncomfortable, nauseated. All these words can be related to synonyms. So antonyms: content, healthy, happy, satisfied, comfortable. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Arjun felt extremely dizzy and qualmish. Arjun felt extremely dizzy and qualmish. Obdurate, stubborn. So stubbornly, refusing to change one's opinion or course of action. So that is what we call it as obdurate. So stubborn, used to describe a person who refused to change his mind despite what anyone else says. Even if he has taken a wrong decision, he won't even budge an inch. So to change his decision, such a type of people will be there, right? You might have come across many people like that. So such people we call it as obdurate, stubborn. Synonyms: adamant, dogged. So see that word, dogged. Callous, firm, fixed, hard. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: submissive, gentle, amenable, yielding, susceptible. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: I agreed this point with him, but he was obdurate. He was stubborn. Factious, causing conflicts, likely to argue or disagree. So factious means divided, alienated, split, contending, dissent, warring, divisive. Antonyms: agreeing, congruent, united, peaceful. See that example: the factious boss turned employees against one another. So the Eastern rebels were defeated more easily because they were factious. That means someone who is trying to break the relationship by causing conflicts between them. That is what factious. Divide and rule policy, what Britishers did with Indians, divide and rule policy. So same, we can go ahead with factious. Clear? Causing conflicts. So example: the factious boss turned employees against one another. Here you need to remember one more word, a little bit confusing word. This one is factious. One more word is there, factitious. Factitious. This is factitious. One more word, factitious. Factitious. That means artificial rather than natural. Artificial rather than natural. So even we can give an example like the excitement was largely factitious and confined to only media. So it's a artificial one, not natural. That is what we call it as factitious. Clear? Foray, attack. Many meanings can be related to this one. A short visit, especially with a known purpose, that is also we call it as a foray. A sudden attack or incursion into the enemy territory, especially to obtain something. Or we can even say a short period involved in an activity that is different from usual set of activities. Even we can say that the supermarket has made a foray into the financial services market. That also we can give as a example. So foray, attack, assault, pursuit, raid, invasion, inroad, depredation, descent. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: regroup, retreat, idleness, laziness, abstention. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the troops made a surprise foray and broke the backbone of the enemy. That's the end of today's session. So we will meet you tomorrow. Have a great day.